This 2017 Keystone Bullet 277 BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 31 feet 7 inches in length and features sleeps 10, auxiliary battery, refrigerator, microwave, TV, awning, spare tire kit, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, smoke detector, DVD player, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse. The unloaded weight of this 2017 Keystone Bullet 277 BHS is 5,470 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.